Yo, I'm really that nigga, man. I'm really that nigga, baby. How I get this money? I get this money. I fuck these bitches, rock that fly shit, push them foreign whips, fuck these bad hoes. Can't fuck with me. Woo. At such an early age, can't fuck with me, man. Niggas can't fuck with me for that. Rock that weed up, Frank. Yo, I used to pray for times like this, sitting back high as a bitch, trying to figure out how I got rich. I really grinded my way to the top of the list. Now I get my nuts held when I piss. Yo, I'm always smoking runts, but I'm focused. Shit, I've been that nigga just. Now more people know this. Ain't no flaws in the diamonds that's in my Rolex. I'm fucking your bitch, but shit, you know that. I've been getting rich, but shit, you know that. Take Trump, free Kodak. Walk up in that bitch where the dough at. Shit, where Mo at? I'm up in the bank, I'm making deposits. 2023, I'm copping the island. 2024, I'm buying the planet. I'm taking this money shit for granted. I know these fuck niggas can't stand it. These niggas can't stand this shit, man. Word. How we doing this shit, man? We killing these niggas, man. Word. Getting money, man. Trying to tell you.